What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you want to make shots less painful, you might want to try out this. Hey, I actually saw this product on Shark Tank, and I hate getting shots. I hate having blood drawn, any of those types of things that you might have to do. And especially if you have to get shots routinely, like you're diabetic or you need medication because you're going through some sort of treatment, you might want to check out this. Now, I know this is actually designed for kids, and it's marketed that way. It's called Buzzy drug-free pain relief, and this one is the mini, which is like a $50. They come in some other versions, larger ones called Healthcare and Healthcare XL, and I'm actually not entirely sure how to use this, but I do kind of know the premise of it, and that is because I actually saw the inventor of this on Shark Tank. You might remember that, and she actually was driving, she's a doctor, and she was driving home one day on a rough road or something, and the steering wheel was vibrating for a while, and when she took her hands off the steering wheel, she realized that they were kind of numb. And so that vibration creates some loss of sensitivity in your skin, and so she designed this little buzz bee, and I think it just kind of buzzes, and you kind of hold it up to your skin where you're going to do that shot, and it kind of numbs it. Now, I will say that it does look like a bee here. It's kind of a figure 8. I think the other ones might be a little larger. I'm not sure if the battery lasts a little longer or whatnot. I actually don't see a way to replace a battery if it's in there. We do have a little like silicone button here. Ooh, there's appears to be 2 modes, kind of a low, a high, and then off. And it has just a little bit of like that vibrator feel to it. Personal massager, those kinds of things. Okay, but it also comes with these, and it comes with 2 of these little gel packs. They're the same. They're actually kind of cool. And I think you can just put these in the fridge or the freezer because you want these to cool down. And then what you do here is that little hole there, I think you slip the little clip through the hole, just like this. And then you put this up against the skin. Ooh, it is pretty chilly already. And then you turn it on, and you have actually 2 factors going into making this area a little less sensitive. You've got the bee on there, and then you also have the cooling gel. So you're kind of numbing it up and then also vibrating it to create numbness. Now, I am a little worried about how long this battery lasts, and there might be a way to open it up. There's a Phillips head screw in there, and you might be able to just open it up, put in a new battery, because anything that's moving a lobe, a cam to create vibration is not very efficient, and so I don't expect this to last that long. But tell you what, you're probably only using it for 30-60 seconds, maybe not even that long before you give someone an injection. So I think this could make a big difference. And like I said, usually for kids that really hate needles, I am certainly one of those. As an adult, I still hate needles, but this is just one of these ways to maybe make it a little fun and take the sting out of those shots. So I would definitely check it out. You can get it at buzzyhelps.com. I picked this up on Amazon, and I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.